Hi, today I'll be showing you how to navigate the primary school mathematics curriculum guide. Let us first get a few things out of the way. The primary school curriculum document follows a backward curriculum design. This means that we are going to start with the outcome that is desired and work our way backwards by formulating specific objectives that will give you the desired outcomes. Secondly, the objectives are written in a hierarchical order. This means that you do not necessarily have to get another document to determine the hierarchical order in which your lessons must be taught. It is already there for you. You should also note that the objectives can be categorized as being broad or specific. The broad objectives are in the column that is labeled outcomes, whereas there are three specific objectives. These are the content, skills, and the disposition. These were formerly referred to as domains. The content is similar to that of the cognitive domain. The skill is similar to that of the psychomotor, and the disposition objective is similar to that of the affective domain. Let us see how to interpret the digits in the numeration represented by each objective in the curriculum document. Let us suppose we had a numeration 4.2.5. Each of these digits represents something. The first digit represents the strand. In the primary school, there are 4 strands. The first strand is the number strand. The number strand has the digit 1. The geometry strand has the digit 2. The measurement strand has the digit 3, and the statistics strand has the digit 4. So in the numeration, the first digit refers to one of these strands. If it is number 1, then it is the number strand. If it is number 2, then it's the geometry strand. If it is number 3, then it is the measurement strand. And if it is number 4, as in this case, it is the statistics strand. The middle number refers to the specific objectives. We said that there are 3 specific objectives. The first being the content. The content objective is labeled as the digit 1. The skills objectives are labeled as 2. The disposition objectives are labeled as 3. So whenever the middle digit is 1, it is referring to a content objective. When the middle digit is 2, it is a skill objective. When the middle digit is 3, then it is a dispositional objective. The middle number does not exceed a digit 3. It is either 1, 2, or 3. That is, content 1, skills 2, and disposition 3. The final digit tells you the hierarchical level of the specific objective. This can be from 1 to any number of objectives that is necessary for achieving the broad outcome. In this case, we have 5 This is therefore referring to the fifth statistical skill objective. So now we can interpret this numeration. 4 tells us that it's a statistical objective. 2 tells us that the specific objective is a skill. And 5 tells us that it is the fifth hierarchical level. To determine the teaching depth you should go with each objective, there is a column called the elaboration. The elaboration gives us two information. It helps us to determine the parameters of each objective. That is, how far in the topic you should go in terms of teaching. The second thing that the elaboration does is that it helps us to interpret each learning objective. This avoids any form of ambiguity. We are now ready to navigate the curriculum document. Here is an excerpt of the Standard 2 curriculum document. Let us assume that we want to teach place value and rounding. If we wanted to teach this specific objective, note that the objective says to explore the place value of numbers to 999. Exploration is a broad term. To determine what and how far exploration goes, I am going to look in the elaboration column. And I am going to note the numeration 1.2.10. Here it appears and also appears here. This means that exploration of place value includes counting a specific number of objects and using them to form groups of hundreds, tens, and ones. It also includes the description of specified number in various ways using language associated with place values. When we look on the other page of the document, we can see the specific objectives in the elaboration columns at these points as well. This means that exploration also involves these concepts. So as we can see, the exploration of place values involves a number of hierarchical skills. In summary, if I wanted to teach objective 1.2.10, which says to explore place values of numbers to 999, including expanded notation, it means you must expose your students to the following skills. In doing so, you will not only cover objective 1.2.10, but you will also cover the following objectives. Teachers need to know that conceptual exploration is one of the fundamental activities that helps guide pupils to transition from knowing to application and from application to reasoning. Here are some of the conceptual exploration questions that teachers can engage in while teaching this objective. You will notice upon inspection that these questions directly aligns with the curriculum document. Please leave a comment in the description below, and you can email me at dalesmrtmr@gmail.com. Here's the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.